What I'm doing here today is replacing the power cord on a DeWalt miter saw. And it's seen better days here. Obviously it's unplugged, and when you buy a new cord, this happens to be a 15 amp saw, so you need to make sure that your new cord is rated for 15 amps. There are several Torx screws. There are a T20 on this saw. And we'll go ahead, remove it from the cord keeper here, as well as on the top here. Okay, with all those screws removed, we can take the top cover off here. With that cover off, we can go and remove the two screws holding the strain relief in there. Those two screws there are a T15 Torx. Now with those two removed, we can take the strain relief off here, pull this up here. One of the wires, positive wire, goes all the way around, feeds into the switch. We'll disconnect that one, and our neutral comes to this wire nut here. We'll take that off. Oh, change of plans here. What I'm going to do is go ahead and clip this wire here and just splice it in, because I don't have a connector that small to go to the switch. I'll remove this wire nut here. Okay, we'll take this little strain relief off there, as well as this, and we'll insert it on our new one here. Okay, peeled the insulation back on our new cord here, all the way to the end there, so they're the same length. And since this is a double insulated saw, we won't be needing the green ground wire. I'll take and cut the outer insulation sheath off there. Go ahead, push our strain relief in there, and then I'll go and hook those wires up. Okay, I'm going to install the strain relief. You want the two lips going up. Go ahead and put our screws in there. And tighten that down. Okay, now that that's tightened down here, there are little channels for the wires to fit in to keep them from getting pinched from the top of the clamshell handle there. And I got those all tucked in nice, and we'll go ahead and put the cover on. Ensure that your strain relief is stuck in there. The machine screws go in here, the four in the handle there. Okay, with all those screws in there, put our handle on, And then we'll go and attach that little wire holder on the side there.